I've already got videos online where I talk about finding water, and of course you can collect water. I used water from our dam here, there's our pond, to collect strained water. Got all those videos online. And I also started a series of videos on finding water where there is no water. And the two things was a transpiration bag over a branch to get water with a plastic bag, that's transpiration, and I dug for water in a dry creek up at the farm. I've done that, found water in a dry riverbed. There are two videos online. But what I'm going to do is just look around the place, because it is a rainy season now in Thailand and you can still see thunderstorms. Now, yeah, there's a pond here, there's rivers nearby, but if you assume there's no water around, I'm just going to walk around the garden and try to find water. There's one right here, sitting there with water. There's a similar sort of thing from a palm tree, actually has water there. You can put out, coconuts, half coconuts to collect water. There's a bit of mud in there, but you could lay out a whole heap of coconuts when it rains to collect water. But I'm just going to walk around here. That's where I burn the rubbish here. Here's my garden that I'm working on. There's the base camp. And you can see right here, if I climb down here into the mud, that thing there's been buried. That'll make a nice container as well. Check it out. Just from a palm tree, that's a container. If I come down here, there's another one just sitting there. There's water right there. You can strain that, boil it, and there's even mosquito larvae in there. What I do is tip that out. There's a few less mosquitoes. So these sorts of things, look at that for a container. That's all you need for containers. You can carry water, carry anything in these sorts of containers. That's even a scoop to take water out of a pond or river or something. And you can see how I just found water lying around here. Now here's a tree hollow. Water can pool up in tree hollows. We had a storm yesterday afternoon, but you can see it's pretty much dry now. Perhaps, who knows, maybe some tree hollows are better than others for collecting water. And there's ants coming up here looking for water. So that's where the snake was, by the way. In the last video I did snake versus lizard. That's where the snake was. There's no water in there at the moment, but tree hollows can collect water. I'll keep on the hunt for a nice tree hollow. So you can find water after rain around the place. But the main purpose of this video was to show you those natural containers, whether it's coconuts or those palm seed pods. Of course, you don't have those everywhere in the world. Here in Thailand, in the tropics and Southeast Asia, we're lucky to have those resources. So just another option there for containers and also collecting water and finding water after rain. I hope you found it interesting, and I'll keep looking around for water and interesting things to show you. I'll catch you next time.